You know what time of year it is when you see these rolling up on the deck of a show. Recently, we had the vocal group Home Free in for a holiday concert. This was also the first full deployment of all 20 of the new JBL SRX910 line array boxes. We put up sound and flew the lighting, all to be ready for the tour when they rolled in. We were racks and stacks. They added their consoles, their backline, a ground package for lighting, and a set. Here we see their front of house cases before things are unpacked. I'm using Supercat Ethercon cables and LyxPro dongles for drive lines and another set for house DMX. That's merch rolling in, headed to the merch station. And now we see the consoles are in place and tour cables pulled to front of house. Meanwhile, the set is getting built on stage. Eventually, it'll all turn into this. Here's a look at front of house after it's all put together. Let's take a pre-show stage walk. Fills are in place along the downstage edge, as well as ambient mics for the band's in-ear monitors. The ground package lighting rolls in pre-hung and ready to connect. Everything labeled as it should be. Our lighting is hung from the upstage, midstage, and downstage trusses. And they have their backdrop hung on our upstage truss. Here's a look at the centerpiece of their set. This is the tour's AC distribution and DMX splitters for their lighting. These are our DMX splitters that the band is patched into to control the lighting in the trusses. Logistics dictated that we put our subs under the stage for this show. You can see the data links flashing on this wall of subs. This is my work box, tool rack, and cable cases that you see here. This is our AC distribution, networking, and audio hub for the JBL rig. And finally, the show. And then it all comes down. The band, of course, first. Cases all lined up and in order, ready to roll to the trucks. And then for us, it's all back to the shop, ready to prep and test for the next event. Here's another video along the same lines as this one. There are several live production behind the scenes and tutorial videos on the channel, so make sure and check out the other videos. Leave any comments below, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.